Hi folks, we've been busy researching digital pianos to help you figure out what you need to make your best audio and video content and stay on budget. Links to all the products in the review are in the description box below, where you'll find current pricing for your region wherever possible. The video has timestamps so that you can jump right to the digital piano that interests you the most. Now before I move on, we'd love to hear what digital piano you're using right now and what you think of it. Let us know in the comments. Okay, let's get into it. Here are the top 5 best digital pianos. The 5th product on our list is the Alesis Recital Pro. The Alesis Recital Pro is an 88-key digital piano that is packed with valuable features. The fully weighted keys feel natural to play and have the same resistance and rebound. Alesis improved the build of the Pro with a mix of matte plastic and metal. It has a backlit display on the top panel that lets you navigate the digital controls easily. As a bonus, you also get a music rest, which makes reading sheet music a comfortable experience. The Recital Pro has 12 voices, including acoustic piano, electric piano, organ, synth and bass. There are also special effects like chorus, modulation and reverb. You can play right away with the 2 onboard 20-watt speakers. You also get plenty of connectivity options. There's a 1/4-inch input for sustain pedals and a 1/4-inch stereo output for headphones that will come in handy for private practice. Finally, there's a stereo output for connections to speakers or amplifiers. You can power this instrument in 2 ways. You can use the power adapter or 6 D-cell batteries if you're playing outdoors. If you're a beginner, you'll be happy to know that this unit comes with a 3-month subscription for expert interactive lessons. You can get the Alesis Recital Pro at an affordable price. It's an excellent option for beginners or people looking for a digital piano for practice. The 4th product on our list is the Yamaha P71. Yamaha's P71 is an 88-key digital piano with an affordable price tag. The build quality is excellent. It weighs just 25 pounds or 11 kilograms, so it's nice and portable for moving from room to room or playing outdoors. The design is minimalistic and keeps the buttons on the upper left side of the device. The keys are fully weighted and simulate the feel of an acoustic piano. Specifically, the keys are GHS weighted, so they are quiet and smooth to the touch. There are 4 options for key sensitivity. The fixed setting gives you the same sound regardless of how much pressure you apply. Medium gives you a more acoustic piano vibe. The hard and soft settings deal with opposite sensitivities. Want to play 2 instruments at the same time? The P71 boasts a dual mode that lets you do just that. This Yamaha unit boasts 10 piano voices, including digitally sampled tones from real Yamaha acoustic grand pianos. The sound quality is fantastic. It produces a crisp treble and rich bass, so it's well suited for all genre of music. Connectivity isn't an issue with this device. You get a USB port, a sustain jack, a headphone jack and an amplifier connection. As a bonus, it also comes with a sustain pedal. The Yamaha P71 is amazing for the price and is an excellent option for anyone looking to buy a digital piano. The 3rd product on our list is the Donner DDP-100. The Donner DDP-100 is an 88-key weighted action digital piano. The dynamics of the sound depend on the applied pressure. This is especially important for beginners who need to learn to control timbre from their touch or finger strength. This also makes the sound quality more stable and gives you the feel of an acoustic piano. On the left-hand side of the keyboard you'll find the power button and volume knob. The construction of this Donner unit makes it an ideal home piano. The wooden stand looks great and it's compact, clean and looks lovely against the wall. It features a sliding lid that helps protect your keys from dust when you're not using it. The DDP-100 features not 1 but 3 pedals that will elevate your playing experience. From left to right there's the soft, the sostenuto and the sustaining pedals. The brand uses advanced wave memory sampling which effectively gives you the tone of a grand piano. Want to play for a crowd? No problem. This instrument has an onboard amplifier. If you want to practice alone, there's a headphone jack for you to plug in your favourite cans. You get a 1/4-inch output jack for connectivity options where you can plug a PA system in or amp. There's also a MIDI and MP3 connection and a USB port. The Donner DDP-100 is a digital piano with a rich sound and functionality that gives you the feel and vibe of an acoustic piano. It's an excellent buy that's worth every penny. The second product on our list is the Yamaha P45. The Yamaha P45 is a fully weighted 88-key digital piano. It features a compact and lightweight design with integrated speakers that are great for practice or small gigs. If portability is important to you, you'll love the P45. It's small enough to transport without much hassle and can fit right into your home setup. This piano comes bundled with an L85 furniture stand, PKBB1 bench and sustain pedal if you're more into playing at home. Yamaha keeps this device clutter-free with the inclusion of only 2 buttons and a volume knob. The power button turns the device on or off, while the function button can be used to activate the grand piano sound. To get to the other sounds and features of the P45, you'll have to press the function button and a corresponding key simultaneously. This keyboard is touch sensitive, which means it responds to the pressure applied by the pianist. There are 4 preset settings that you can adjust the level of the sensitivity. The black keys have a matte finish which helps prevent your fingers from sliding off while you're playing. The brand uses advanced wave memory sampling technology which gives you an authentic tone from a grand piano. There are 2 onboard 6-watt speakers which let you practice comfortably or play for a small group. The sound from the speakers is great and isn't distorted even at the max setting. The Yamaha P45 gives you a lot of bang for your buck. It's a great purchase that will give you a durable instrument that you can use at home or on the go. The first product on our list is the Casio Privia PX770. Casio's Privia PX770 is a beautifully designed digital piano that features an improved wooden cabinet with a minimalist feel. This instrument also boasts 3 pedals, sustain, soft and sostenuto, which give you the playability of a grand piano. A sliding cover helps protect your keys from dust. The setup is also straightforward and can be done in 20 to 30 minutes with basic tools. If you have limited space at home, you don't have to worry because the PX770 measures just 55 inches or 140 centimeters wide. You'll find the keyboard's controls on the left side, giving you a cleaner and less cluttered look. The main sound options have dedicated buttons for ease of access. The functions are accessible by pressing specific keys along with the function button. You can find a guide to those combinations in the manual. There are also tiny labels above the keys to guide you. This Casio instrument features a scaled hammer system that simulates the feel of an acoustic piano. This means that the keys are heavier on the lower registers and lighter on the higher ones. The keys are also touch sensitive to give you accurate and dynamic sound. This feature can be turned off if you don't need it. The Casio Privia PX770 is a versatile instrument that is fun to play and nicely built. The sound is amazing and will surely delight any pianist who's looking for a digital piano. And there you have it folks, the 5 digital pianos that got us excited this year. If this video helped you in any way, let us know by giving it a like, and if you're new here, hitting the subscribe button. If you would like to see some more reviews from our team here at Gear Music Tech, here are a couple that we think you'll enjoy. We look forward to seeing you back here on Gear Music Tech soon. Bye for now.